dreamers, welcome to the dreamers land. So today's video is going to be about my nighttime skincare routine. So let's get into the video without no further ado. So what I have first is the Bioderma. I think this costs around 450 or 500. To remove my makeup, I use this. I either go for the coconut oil if I have only less makeup to be removed, or if I have like more of eye makeup, shimmers, I go for Bioderma. This is like really very like it's like purely water kind of a material. No, this is like water based, so it's easy to remove your eye makeup. Just dab this thing on your cotton pad and just wipe your eye makeup. It doesn't irritate your eyes as well, so you can very well go for Bioderma. So after removing my makeup, I wash my face with this Clean and Clear face wash, and this really works for me. I'm not a person who goes for more of harsher ones. This really worked for me. After trying like lot of face wash, I ended up with Clean and Clear because this is very lightweight and this worked very well for me. I either use a Clean and Clear one, or I'm just loving this Himalayas Neem face wash. I've just bought it and yeah, I'm starting to love it. I'm just using it for a month now, so I cannot tell anything more about it, but yes, I like it a bit. So if it's a weekend or for like each and every week, I try using a scrub as well. So now I'm using this Himalayas Neem face scrub, and this is good. This is really good because the scrub particles are like really very like the granules are like so good that it makes my skin really very soft. And then I also use Himalayas Neem face pack. So this is like 3. I actually was using this face pack for the first time. I started loving it. I finished one and I got the other. This is the second one. And then I went and bought the Neem scrub, and this again went really well. So now I'm using this face wash. So it is like I'm like coming from the back. Face pack, scrub, and now this face wash. So I'm just loving these 3. So if you're like want to pamper yourself, you can very well go for these 3. These 3 are like really good. So once the scrubbing everything is done, I use this rose water thing. As you can see, like it's on the top. I have not used much of it. I don't know why I always forget this one. Then I have my Himalayas under eye cream. This video is not fully about Himalayas, but I end up having my products, it's like full of Himalayas. I don't know why. So this is the under eye cream from Himalayas. This is really good. This is like a bit of oily, so this is not preferable to use in the mornings, but for your nighttime skincare routine, you can very well go for this Himalayas under eye cream. Then I have my Lotus Herbal Strawberry Lip Balm. So this is, as you can see, you have to put your finger in and get it. So you have to be really very careful when you're using it. Like once you are like fresh out of your, after washing your face, when your hands are really very clean, first go for this and then go for the other products, because you don't want to put your dirty little fingers into it and do more hurt to your face. And I have my Olay Total FX 7-in-1 anti-aging cream. This looks like this. This has really worked for me. I have tried 2 other night creams which I don't want to mention, but this is really good for me. I apply this in like very small quantities because it's kind of oily, so you don't want to like apply more of it and you don't want to break out. So I apply it in a very minimal quantity and sleep for 8 hours and just get up and see your face. Your face will be like freaking soft, it'll be like so soft as if you have not applied anything before night. So this is like that kind of a cream, and this really worked for me. You can very well go for this only. And for my hands and my feet, I go for this Nivea cream. I don't know why I have been liking this. As you can see, I have used most of it. So this is really good. You can also use this one for your hands. Like you can use it here where it's like really very rough. this really works very well. So that's it guys, these are products in my nighttime skincare routine. I follow them religiously, and if I'm feeling like really very tired, if I'm not able to remove my makeup and I don't wash my face, and if I go and sleep, the next day I break out. I don't know why, really. Like, I'm a kind of an OCD person, so for me everything should be in certain way, or certain things should be in certain places. I don't know, I can't speak today. I don't know why. So I'm an OCD person, so for me everything should be done in a certain way. So I follow this nighttime skincare routine religiously, and if I don't, and if I feel really very tired someday, and if I plan to go and sleep without removing my makeup, my skin tells me the very next day. It just breaks out. It just breaks out like everywhere, and I'm like, it's like that. So I have to at least wash my face. Like, irrespective of using any products or something, just wash your face before going to bed. It is not good to sleep with your makeup on, even your eyeliner. It's really going to hurt your eyes. Your skin is going to like dry up very soon, and you're going to get your wrinkles fast. So please make sure that you wash your face before going to your bed. So guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what products that you like or you use. And yeah, please follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook account. I am giving you the links down below. Make sure you follow me, and stalk me in my next video. It's bye from Nivi. Bye bye.